Cardano ADA news. Shocking bullish sign. Cardano ADA burn date finally revealed. Bitcoin made the news recently, hitting its all-time high. Now, the biggest cryptocurrency in the world reaching its highest value yet is noteworthy, but it's also of interest to those who hold other cryptocurrencies. If past trends are anything to go by, a surge in the price of Bitcoin has a knock-on effect on alternative currencies or altcoins. So if you're a holder of ADA, for example, this is a trend that you should be following closely. The other big news in the cryptocurrency world was the possibility that Cardano might allow the burning of some of the ADA coins that are currently in circulation. Obviously, such a thing would drive up prices and will be big news for those who have invested in ADA. Today we're going to talk all about Cardano future plans and the Cardano burn technique. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 29th of November, shall we? After rejecting from the $3 mark, the ADA coin entered this retracement phase. The coin price tried hard to sustain above the $2 support, but overpowered bears didn't let that happen. The coin has steadily dropped lower and has re-established another significant support level of $1.5. Watch out for these technical levels to spot good opportunities. The ADA price breached the crucial support of the $2 mark. The coin price offered a proper retest to check for sufficient resistance at this level and continued to drop lower. Right now, the price has plunged to a significant support level of $1.5, which is in confluence with the weak but valid support level of 0.718 fib. According to the crucial EMAs 20, 50, 100, and 200, the coin price is currently under a downtrend. Moreover, this chart shows the 20 and 50 EMA may soon offer a bearish cross, which could attract even more sellers in the market. The Relative Strength Index states the dominance of sellers in ADA coins. However, the RSI line has entered the oversold zone, suggesting good potential if a new rally emerges. Now let's get back to the topic. There's a maximum supply of about 45 billion ADA, with approximately 32 billion currently in circulation. To put that in perspective, Bitcoin only has 21 million coins possible. The future looks bright for Cardano, but with so many ADA, the steep prices some crypto have achieved appear quite unlikely no matter how successful they become. Hoskinson is as accessible as a billionaire tech genius can be, frequently interacting with people via social media and YouTube videos. He does regular AMA sessions, and one from September 19th got the usual massive load of questions. Although he seemed to be in a jovial mood for most of the session, one question about the possibility of burning ADA in the future set him off. A YouTuber named Diesel Kane asked, "Can we start burning ADA for scarcity?" The question appeared to hit a nerve with Hoskinson, who made no effort to hide his disdain. "Yay everybody, we have a winner of the Paint Chip Brigade of the day. Today's winner is Diesel Kane," he exclaimed. Hoskinson then went on to berate the questioner, citing them for greed and stupidity, among other things. "Diesel Kane, I really appreciate how much effort you put into your greed and stupidity and displayed it across everybody in the ADA field. We're so glad you can tell us that we get to destroy other people's money so that you can make a little extra money and then sell the ADA and move on to someone else. We're just so happy that you want to steal from everybody in this ecosystem." With his voice dripping with contempt as he addressed this question, it seemed that looking out a window and seeing flying pigs has a better chance of happening than Cardano burning ADA in the future. It's clearly a question that he has fielded over and over in the past, and is frustrated by the lack of acceptance of how he has designed his ecosystem. This doesn't mean that it isn't an investment opportunity bursting with potential. It simply indicates that expectations should be set accordingly, looking forward to the future of this exciting crypto. Coin burning, according to Hoskinson, is comparable to stealing groceries from a supermarket, stealing gasoline from other people's cars, or grabbing someone's wife. Because there are 45 billion ADA coins in circulation, many ADA coin holders believe there is a pressing need to burn the coins. One of the viewers requested that the ADA supply be burned. Some critics too believe the circulation is too high. For comparison, Bitcoin supply is fixed at 21 million coins. Hoskinson recently introduced the proof of burn mechanism, which would let anyone destroy their own ADA tokens by sending them to an unspendable address. Now let's talk about Cardano's future. Cardano ADA has been experiencing struggling prices since it hit its all-time high above $3 back in the start of September. Since then, it has been on a downward trend and had fallen below $2 for the first time as October drew to a close. Despite some important announcements and strides on the part of the project, the token has not seen much recovery, leading to panic among its holders. In light of this, founder Charles Hoskinson once again took to YouTube to address those whom he thinks are too overly concerned about price rather than the technology. This will not be the first time that the mathematician has had to address price concerns from the community. A week ago, Hoskinson had also taken to his YouTube channel to address price speculations, mentioning that money was not the purpose of Cardano. Rather, the benefit of the blockchain to humanity was the goal. In his YouTube video, the Cardano founder asked the community to calm down when it comes to the price of the digital asset. There have no doubt been sell-offs happening in relation to the cryptocurrency, but this is normal for any asset really. Investors will get to the point where they sell off some of their holdings to take gains. The founder asked people who were in a panic over this sell-off to chill out. The founder pointed to the notion of price discovery given the performance of coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, which have no utility whatsoever, yet have seen tremendous growth. He calls for people to forego the notion of price discovery and instead focus on the impact of the project. Mostly, Hoskinson pointed to newcomers who have mainly been the ones panicking when it comes to price. He explains that people like these are obsessed with price, and there seems to be an utter lack of perspective. For the older investors in the project, most had gotten into Cardano for the impact that they knew the blockchain could have, and Hoskinson has echoed that sentiment. Instead of looking at price, the founder prompted the community to look towards the future, towards what Cardano could mean for the world someday. For Hoskinson, Cardano goes beyond making money through investing in the token. He sees the project being an important part of the back end of nation-states and payment solutions going forward. If you look at a 5-year, a 10-year, 15-year, a 20-year package, we really feel that there's a strong possibility Cardano could be the back end of many nation-states, said Hoskinson. Also, the founder explained that there is no way to accurately predict what Cardano would be worth once it reaches its full potential. However, Hoskinson sees Cardano as being the biggest preserver of human rights the world has ever seen. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!